make sure you stay back like by this tree or something. Give it some space. They made it.
Alright.
It's so fun.
They're really loading this one up. This should be a good one.
Okay, good. It does seem like they're spending a little more time loading it.
Oh yeah, they're filling that bad boy. It's really hard to tell because the stuff evaporates as soon as you pour it in, so you can't see it. And you pour more than it, like it disappears as you pour it. So you have to keep pouring and pouring and pouring and pouring. There we go. All right, everybody.
Uh-oh. Did it go out?
Oh, there we go.
All right.
Very good.